Now, Cardano turns down from the high at 47 cents while retargeting the low at 42 cents. Cardano has fallen to the previous low. Let's talk about Cardano in this video right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Let's talk about Cardano right now. Now, Cardano ADA price long-term forecast is kind of bearish according to this. Now, ADA has fallen to the low of 42 cents September 28th as bulls are buying the dips. Okay, buying the dips. This current support was the historically price level on August 26th. On August 26th, the Altcoin consolidated above the current support and rose to a high of 51 cents. Today, Cardano has fallen to the previous low of 42 cents. Now, I'm going to show you something else as well. What's next for Cardano? At the 4-hour chart, Cardano price has fallen previously 42 cents as bulls are buying the dip, as we stated before. The current support has been tested several times as buyers defend current support. Meanwhile, at the September 33 downtrend, the downtrend 33, a retraced candle body tested the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. You see that? The retracement suggests that ADA will fall to the Fibonacci extension level of $1, look at 1.618 or 42 cents. Okay, I was getting excited because I thought it was $1, but it's actually not. It's actually chart analysis, actually standpoint. So Cardano, hey, the bears are buying the dip on Cardano because they see the potential with Cardano. I am a fan of Cardano as well. I don't think this will stay so long because it's got a lot of good things coming out through the pipeline of Cardano, and the bulls, well, I would say the mega bulls understand that, and that's why they're buying the dip. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.